Thank you for inviting me to this conference. I'm happy to speak from Bangladesh. I'm Mohammad Arfan Ali, Managing Director, Bank Asia Limited. As the days are passing, we face a lot of problems due to this pandemic, and now we feel that we are remotely connected through digital means, and we are here on digital platform to share our experience from Bangladesh. I'm happy to share with you some of our experience of this digital journey that we are going through. We are celebrating 50 years this year of independence. The banking system has evolved through this time. Over the years, the things changed, especially with the advent of technology and the turning of this century, 21st century. We see that more and more of digital means have been adopted, and things were changing very rapidly for the benefit of the people of this country, especially the unbanked people. They came under the banking system. Government also made many changes in regulation, and also Bangladesh Bank came forward with some of the solutions, business model that helped the banks to cater their service for the people in the rural areas as well as underserved areas where banking service are very much required, and there are big potentialities for that services. If we look back, we see that back in 2011, Bangladesh first saw one development, that is mobile financial service. Currently, we have 110 million plus internet users, and we have 100 million plus mobile subscribers who are using MFS. I mean, more than 100 million people are connected through MFS to the banking services, to the digital services. But the limitations the MFS are facing and extending credit to the customer because of their limited accessibility as well as limited KYC. Then Bangladesh Bank gave one better model, that is agent banking. Back in 2014, agent banking started rolling out, and Bangladesh Bank first gave some guidelines regarding this agent banking and for financial inclusion services of this country. We started agent banking in January of 2014, and Bank Asia is proud to be the pioneer of this, and we had the experience in serving the rural people through a government initiative called Ekti Bari Ekti Khaman. Now it is a bank, Polli Sanchoy Bank. So we supported government in giving banking service to the poor people in the rural areas. And now it is gaining popularity. 26 banks are now giving agent banking service, and more than 10 million customers are now getting the service at their doorstep through this new business model. What change we see in agent banking is that agent banking is the complete solution for banking service in the rural areas and in the underdeveloped areas. Especially Bangladesh is a developing country, and financial inclusion is very, very important and critical for the development of this country. And agent banking is playing a very vital role in this respect. Agent banking services encompasses all the banking services in a limited scale, like savings, credit, and other fund transfer, foreign remittance. You know, Bangladesh is 7th largest recipient of foreign remittance, So this is very important that we take this remittance service to the rural people at their doorstep, and they get the services to their benefit. They can make savings out of it. They can also plan their financials. So this is very important development we have witnessed. Government is using these services for transfer of social safety net. Our government has taken the initiative for financial inclusion program. That means all citizens of the country will have a bank account within 2024. And this agent banking model has helped a lot in achieving that goal, because the bank branches in the rural areas are not profitable, and commercial banks especially are not very willing to go up to that last mileage, because the operational expenses does not permit the banks to move forward like that. So agent banking model is really a big solution for this last mileage people, and these people can utilize the full service of banking through agents. The changes we have witnessed have been possible for three reasons: business model coupled with technology and government policy together made these changes possible. Bangladesh, as you know, is still around 50% of the population do not have the bank account. So this is very important development for the country as a whole. And we believe that digitization and new technology will help us to bring changes in the banking services, that people can get services and they can also get access to their bank accounts from anywhere, anytime. We are very much hopeful that the changes we see will make full benefit to the customers. Anybody having a bank account and a mobile application will not need to come to the branches, and brick and mortar branches will not be required in the longer run, and more digitized version will see for the benefit and for the service of the people. The future of banking services will be outside the bank branches. We can say that the banking will be without any branch. I mean, it will be based on the partnership with the agents. It will be on mobile. It will be on digital device. So customer don't have to travel to the branches for the services. Second, we are trying to reach every village of the country. We have a slogan that every citizen of the country will have a bank account, and Bank Asia wholeheartedly trying to realize that goal through its financial inclusion program. Third, we are making progress through micro merchant, that they can also work as agents for the bank. So in rural areas, the villagers can get access to the banking service through the micro merchants. The micro merchant model is a very innovative one, and it is helping the poor people in the village level to get banking service at an affordable cost. Especially the social safety net beneficiaries, they are getting their money at their doorstep. Our country will be hugely benefited by this network of payment. Bangladesh Bank now deploying the Bangla QR code, which will be uniform and white label, so it can be used by all banks together. So there will be uniformity in payment. So this will be the change we see for the future. Bangladesh is the birthplace of microcredit, and this means that a huge number of people are using microcredit to change their fate in the rural areas. And now this banking system will assist these customers to get access to credit at a lower rate. And this will help them to make and change their fate for their development, and they can be integrated to the national economic activities. And Bangladesh basically will be hugely benefited from the contribution of these people, of this economic household, that they are working towards the changing of their life and changing of this country for better future. Thank you.